Gonna do a video today of a mobile home that we have out here on State Highway 7 East, just outside the city limit sign. The first mobile home past the, I don't know if you can see it there, city limit sign, and then the junction of Loop 224. So moving around to there's a paved drive coming into the front of the mobile home. A nice shade oak tree on the west side. This is a 14 by, I'm sorry, it's a 16 by 80 single wide. The front deck here, I believe it's an 8 by 16. It's just been refinished. Got floodlights there that come on at night, off in the morning. It's a pretty nice sized deck. Covered deck. Outlets there. Moving into the front door. Have a nice size living area. I believe this living is about 16 by 16. It's a nice open floor plan. Little bar here if you wanted to put stools. Nice all-in kitchen. The vent hood. This one does have a dishwasher. Real close to the double sinks. Get your window there. Whirlpool refrigerator. Nice and tidy. It's like we have a china cabinet or a hutch. Nice detailed glass doors. It's like a little breakfast dining nook there. And your pantry. Spacious little pantry. Then moving back to the master. It's a little washer and dryer area. We'll come back to that. Dryer vent, back door. You have another little hall closet here. A little bit of storage. Then the master, I believe, is maybe a 14. Let's see, it's 16 wide, so about a 14 by 16. It's like we have a matching storage area that's similar to the dining room. into the master bath, towel storage. Nice spacious bathroom for the master. And garden tub. This mobile home does have a very nice split arrangement. So you have the master at this end of the mobile home, and then you move back towards the front of the mobile home for the other two smaller bedrooms. AC unit there. I believe these bedrooms are about the same size. Sliding, close the door. The bedroom closest to the highway. And the paved drive. This bedroom does have an open closet. Gives the room a little more spacious feel. And then we have the other bathroom, the end of the hall. So we go back out towards the back door. Pass through the kitchen again. There's an electric range. This can be closed off. Going out to the rear. Rear steps. Going towards the state highway again. This is the back side of the trailer. Mobile home also has a nice storage area that goes along with it on this lot. This building, I believe, is maybe a 10 by 16, 8 by 16. Not locked now, but it does lock. Electrical outlets in here, storage. Some stuff is in here now from someone else that will be moved. The electricity is run to this unit underground. So that's it. That's the other side of it. Very nice, quiet location back here.